So what I have here is the Peco SL-8340 Hays Bumper kit, and there's 2 in a pack. So I just kind of wanted to go through the process and show you how to put these together. On the package it does say easily assembled plastic kit. So let's see how easily assembled it is. Okay, so let's open the pack. It takes me longer to get the pack open and out than it does for me to put it together. Alright, and it comes with basically 3 simple steps here. So, alright, so here's your 2 bumpers. We'll set one aside. These are the leg supports. I'm going to take that and lay that there. This one here, and then the top piece there. Alright, so that's garbage. So if you take the bumper, you usually know that where this foot pad is, it is the bottom, and that is what goes on the ground. And then you notice the other end here, it's how it's slanted out and it's got this little piece. So what you do is you take your bumper piece here, all right, and you see this little hole. Let's see if I can do it without getting my fingers in it. So you see this little hole back here, all right, so you're just going to slide it in there, all right, and then you take the other side and you slide it in right next to it. Okay, there, well, almost. Okay, and voila, there you go. And there's your track bumper. Now what I do like to do is I like to put just a little bit of glue on the bottom side of it, just to make sure it's going to hold in there good. So just add a little tad of glue in here, just like that, and let it dry, and it should be good to go. So very nice, very easy to do, and that's basically how you put it together.